Welcome, in front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how we can set the power on off timer. So you have to go to your remote control and tap on the settings. Next, with arrows you have to scroll down to the general settings and click OK to enter. Right now just go on the right with the right arrow and scroll down to the timers, click OK. As you can see here, we got the timer power on and timer power off. So let's enter for the second option, then click OK on the remote control to activate, and then just navigate with arrows, and as you can see here we can pick the time, click OK to confirm. We can set also repeat, maybe we can pick it on the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and there you have to go for the upper section on the done and click OK. Here we can change also choose the input for TV, HDMI. So let's go for the HDMI 1, and also we can pick the volume. So if you want to pick volume, you have to scroll on it, then click OK, and then move it with your left and right arrow. So it's very cool alternative to smartphone alarm. And after that you can just simply go back. And if you want to set up also the timer power off, you have to click on OK, then tap OK another time to turn it on, and just pick the time that you want to turn off your TV. And the same, we can set the repeat. So let's pick it on Friday. After that, go for the right upper corner on this white menu, then click done, and as you can see it's finished. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.